Morning students. Today we are going to do Glimpses of India third part, Tea from Assam. See now, every one of y'all drink tea, isn't it, in the morning? सबके सब चाय पीते हैं. तो how is this tea made? इस टी के पीछे क्या स्टोरी है? That all we are going to read in this lesson. This lesson is about two friends. दो friends हैं, प्रांजल और राजवीर. And Pranjal is from Assam. So he was going for his summer vacation to Assam. और राजवीर भी उसके साथ गया था because he wanted to see Assam. And everyone knows that Assam is known as the tea country. It has the largest concentration of plantations. सबसे ज़्यादा plantations जो Assam में मिलते हैं टी के. So during their journey, जब वो अपनी journey पे जा रहे थे, तो they were all discussing about these various stories that how tea was discovered. टी कैसे discover हुई थी और किस तरह इसकी popularity बढ़ी और ये एक beverage means a drink बनी. So all this you will find in this chapter Tea from Assam. Now see this whole tree, this story, it revolves around this famous beverage tea जो सभी को पसंद है. आप लोग भी सब चाय पीते होंगे, पर इसके पीछे हिस्ट्री क्या है, इसकी डिस्कवरी कब हुई, उन चीज़ों के बारे में they were discussing जब वो रेलवे स्टेशन पे एक वेंडर was selling चाय गरम चाय पी लो. So that is, it is about that. So they take 2 cups of tea and then on their journey they start reading detective books and then they saw the soft paddy fields. बिहार से जब निकले होंगे, जब उनकी ट्रेन निकली, so they saw the soft paddy fields. Then they saw the scenic beauty, and as they kept on going towards Assam, and they started discovering about the stories of tea कि चाय कब डिस्कवर हुई थी और उसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करने लगे. वो ये कहते हैं कि Assam is said to be a tea country. Pranjal said कि he was brought and he was born in Assam only. Now Rajveer was visiting there for the first time. So he says that yes, tea was discovered in around 2700 BC. Then it is said that it may be first used in China and then slowly it reached Europe in the 16th century. And there are many stories about it, saying that it was discovered by a Chinese emperor, some say that it was by a Buddhist monk, and that is how, while speaking about the stories, they reach their destination, means they reach Assam, where they see the tea farms, the tea gardens. Now we start with our lesson. Chai garam, a vendor called out in a high-pitched voice. He came up to their window. जब वो लोग रेलवे स्टेशन पे थे तो आवाज़ आई चाय गरम. एंड दैट वेंडर केम टू द विंडो, उन विंडो में आके पास आया और बोले भाई साहब आपको चाय चाहिए, डू यू वांट टू ड्रिंक चाय? ही सेइंग ओके गिव अस 2 cups. So Rajveer and Pranjal, they took the 2 cups and then they said कि tea is a very popular beverage all over the world, and more than 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day. एक दिन में around throughout the world 80 crore cups चाय पी जाती होगी. Tea is so popular drink. Now the train pulled out of the station, वो स्टेशन से बाहर निकले और प्रांजल took a detective book and he started reading that book. Rajveer was not such a fan of reading detective stories, But yes, he started looking outside because it was his first visit that side. So he started looking at the paddy fields, then he started looking at the beautiful scenic, the greenery outside, and it was really a very magnificent view. बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू था. And again he saw the tea bushes on the hills, the small tea plants, the trees and the rows of bushes, and people from far from the train. It looked as if there were dolls, all of them working in the tea fields. And again he started thinking about that how was this tea discovered. And he looked at long, long distances. He could only see on the hills these tea fields and people working on wherever his eyes could reach. Up in a distance, suddenly he saw an ugly building जिसकी में से smoke निकल रही थी. There were tall, tall chimneys. And Raju said, "Hey, there is a tea garden." Pranjal was brought up in these plantations only. He was born, brought up there. So he wasn't much excited क्योंकि वो वहीं बड़ा हुआ, वहीं उसने जन्म लिया. और ये राजवीर का पहली बार था. That is why he was very excited. He said that Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. And Pranjal said that you will see many enough gardens which you must have not seen in your lifetime. For your lifetime आप इतने सारे gardens देखोगे. There are so many in Assam. Rajveer said, yes, before coming to Assam with you, मैं इन स्टोरीज़ के बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ रहा था. आई वॉज रीडिंग अ लॉट अबाउट देम एंड रियली में किसी को यही नहीं मालूम कि हु डिस्कवर्ड ट्री. या बट देर आर मैनी लेजेंड्स. बहुत सारी स्टोरीज़ है. और एक स्टोरी जो है वो है चाइनीज़ एम्परर की. वो ये कहते हैं कि चाइनीज़ एम्परर ही हैड बॉइल्ड वाटर बिफोर ड्रिंकिंग इट एंड सम he used to drink boiled water. और एक दिन क्या हुआ, हवा से उड़ के some leaves came and fell down in the pot and that gave a delicious flavor. और इसीलिए उसके बाद कहा जाता है कि this was used as a drink because those what had fallen in the pot were the tea leaves. एक और स्टोरी है प्रांजल को वो बताया कि there was a Indian legend मीन्स एक बोधि धर्म का एसेटिक था, एक सेंट था, बुद्धिस्ट सेंट था. व्हाट डिड ही डू, ही यूज्ड टू, जब वो मेडिटेशन करता था तो ही वुड फील स्लीपी. सो दैट ही मे नॉट फील स्लीपी ड्यूरिंग द मेडिटेशंस, उसने क्या किया, अपनी आईलिड्स को काट दिया एंड देन ही कट ऑफ हिज आईलिड्स एंड देन ही थ्रू इट एंड इट इज सेड कि उसके आईलिड्स में से 10 tea plants grew up. And then these leaves of these plants, they were put in hot water and then it was drunk to banish sleep. मतलब sleep को भगाने के लिए ये drink ली जाती थी. Then they say that yes, tea was first drunk in China and as far as 2700 BC. Then slowly it came to India, Asia and then it went to Europe in the 16th century. He said कि in fact इसका word का नाम टी चाय, चाय एंड चीनी, वो है चाइनीज़. इट मीन्स चाइनीज़. और उससे ही चीनी से चाय बनी एंड इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल इट एज टी एंड इट इज़ ड्रंक मोर एज अ मेडिसिन इन यूरोप. यूरोप में मेडिसिन की तरह यूज़ होती है देन अ बिवरेज. Now the train kept on going and they were talking these stories and all and they reached the Marini junction. The boys took their luggage and they pushed their way on the crowded platform. They got down. Pranjal's parents had come to pick them up and then they started driving to Dikhiabari. It was the place where Pranjol's father used to look after the tea gardens there. Then 1 hour later, a car came sharply on the main road, and then they crossed the cattle bridge and entered the Khyabari tea estates. Now what did he see? राजवीर ने देखा कि दोनों साइड में ग्रेवल रोड था. ग्रेवल मीन्स राउंडेड स्टोन्स जो सैंड के साथ ज़्यादातर मिक्सड अप हो जाते हैं. So those were there both sides. That road was there, and on the hills there were tea bushes, and they were pruned to the same height. सब एक height के छोटे 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 bushes थे, and there were many groups of tea pluckers who had bamboo baskets at the back of them, and they were plucking the newly sprouted tea. जो टी के लीव्स जो अभी अभी उगी थी उनको धीरे धीरे वो प्लग कर करके उस बास्केट में डालते जा रहे थे. Pranjol's father slowed down. उसने धीरे से, so that क्योंकि एक ट्रैक्टर was coming which was loaded with tea leaves, so he slowed down the car to let it allow it pass. This is the second flush of sprouting period, isn't it, Mr. Barrio? Rajveer asked his father, Pranjol's father, कि क्या ये second sprouting period है? तो बोले हाँ, this is the second, and it will last till May to July and will give us the best tea. So he said, Pranjol's father said in surprise, yes, Mr. Barwa. Rajveer admitted, but I hope to learn much while I am here. Well, I want to learn a lot about this tea and about the tea gardens and about the tea of Assam. Until I stay here with him till the summer vacation, I would love to hear everything about Assam and its tea gardens.